Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two amazing processors, the Intel Core i5-12600K and the AMD Ryzen 9. If you're interested in finding out which one is the best fit for you, stick around and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. When it comes to performance, both processors are top of the line. The Intel Core i5-12600K has 10 cores and 20 threads, while the AMD Ryzen 9 features 12 cores and 24 threads. However, the Ryzen 9 has a slight advantage with its DDR5-5200 RAM support and PCIe 5.0 on select 600 series motherboards. The i5-12600K delivers great performance with its hyper-threading architecture and onboard graphics, so both products are great in this category. When it comes to pricing, the i5-12600K comes in at around $208, while the Ryzen 9 is priced around $432. So, if you're on a budget, the i5-12600K would be a great pick. However, if you're willing to invest more, the Ryzen 9 offers exceptional capabilities that are worth the extra money. Both processors come with their own variants of the latest sockets. The i5-12600K comes with the LGA1700 socket, while the Ryzen 9 is compatible with the state-of-the-art socket AM5 platform. However, you should keep in mind that you might need to upgrade your motherboard to accommodate these sockets, so choose accordingly. The Intel Core i5-12600K comes with a built-in Intel UHD graphics controller, while the Ryzen 9 does not come with a cooler, so you'll have to purchase one separately. This might add to the overall cost of the Ryzen 9, so make sure to take into account these additional costs. So there you have it. Both processors are exceptional and offer great features. It ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. We hope this comparison was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.